Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel or wherever you're at on the internet watching this video. I want to introduce you to a pretty incredible opportunity here. And this is the concept of staking, not the staking that you're used to, not like crypto staking or high yield staking or any of those things that carry super, super high risk. This is 100% legit staking, Baccarat staking. Yes. And check this out. These are the results from the past 10 months. January, almost 40% return. February, 42. March, 42. April, 40. 39, 35, 28, 12, 28, and 24, which averages out to be roughly 30% per month, which is 1% per day. So if you put up $10,000, you're getting $3,000 back on average. Of course, results are not guaranteed. This is gambling, but you are essentially backing expert pro gamblers in the arena of Baccarat. Now, you might not know what Baccarat is. Heck, I don't know what it is. I do know that a lot of backers would back pro poker players. And there's poker players that would win $8-9 million, but they would only get a fraction of those earnings, a very small percentage, because they had backers that ended up staking them to get them in these tournaments. So here you have the ability to be a backer. And I got really excited about this opportunity because I saw the results right here. And I'm like, this is like less risky than the crypto markets at times, right? Unless you're dollar cost averaging throughout history, it's done really, really well. But most people haven't had the patience to stay in the markets and really deal with the pain and suffering in days like this. And most millionaires, they have 7 different streams of income, and most smart people understand the importance of diversification. Okay. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you an opportunity that is 100% legit, 100% legal here in the United States. And people have been doing it for years in the world of poker. So if you like the idea of earning up to 1% plus per day on your money, then this is something that could be for you. I just went ahead and I sent over $10,000 to be a backer, and at 1% per month, which I can compound, that's going to be an extra $3,000 in the next month, which I'll continue to compound that as long as, we're getting these types of returns that we're, of course, seeing right here. So what I want you to do, if this is something that you're interested in, number one, of course, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you like passive income ideas like this, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all the future videos that I upload when I upload them. I'll also include a link to my Facebook group below so you could get notified of these opportunities before I release them on the YouTube channel. But essentially, there's going to be a link below. It's going to lead you to this page right here. And it's going to tell you a little bit more about this so you can feel more comfortable, get more educated. You can see if it's really for you. So watch this presentation video here, and then also watch and learn about the history of staking. And then all you need to do is click this button to create your free account. And then once you create your free account, then what you're going to do is you're going to jump back to this page. Okay, make sure you don't fully leave this page. Open this in a new browser window. You're going to contact me on Telegram. You want to make sure you have Telegram installed on your desktop computer, your mobile phone, and just go ahead and reach out to me and just say, hey, I'm ready to sign up. And then what I can do is I can tell you exactly where to send your deposit to go ahead and fund your account. Okay. When you fund your account, it's going to show up here. I'm still waiting to be funded. It can take up to 24 hours to get funded. And you can see right now, at the time of the creation of this video, there's essentially $6.8 million in backing in these different pools. Okay. So again, you're going to learn more about what the pools represent on the next page when you go ahead and click the link below this video. But essentially, the players, the Baccarat players, are taking 1% of the total pot, and they're going and they're gambling with it, right? And then we're sharing in those winnings. You can see that today, 0.89% so far, yesterday, 0.99%, day before that, 1123.89, then 1.94, so on and so forth. There's going to be other resources on how to read all this stuff, again, on the next page. So again, make sure that you watch this video, watch this presentation so you understand fully. And also when we talk on Telegram, I will give you a link to the actual Facebook group for this Baccarat staking as well. So you understand it fully, and I'll be available if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll make myself or one of my assistants available to answer any of your questions whatsoever. So this is super exciting, a new project I'm getting involved with. If you like the sound of it, if you want to go ahead and get involved, go ahead, click the link below, watch the videos here, get signed up with an account, contact me on Telegram. If you have any problems, contact me on Telegram. Let me know below in the comments, and we can see if we can find another way to connect. But Telegram is by far the best way right now. Make sure that you have the app installed so we can go ahead and have a chat. Okay, so go ahead, click the link below, learn how you can start ethically, 100% legally, earn up to 1% daily. This is not a Ponzi scheme. These are actual people going out, and we're backers, and they're taking our money and they're gambling with that money. Of course, these are pro players, and then they're splitting the winnings with us as backers, depending on how much we decide to back. So all those details are included in this video on the next page. Go ahead, click the link in the description below, or a button if you're on a different page. Maybe you're on my blog or a different landing page. Go ahead, click that button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next page and on the inside. I look forward to talking to you personally. Take care.